Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about an interesting topic, atoms. Okay, so what is an atom? Have you ever observed the ant hill? Yes, we know the ant hill is made up of a small grain of sand. Yes, all the small sand particles constitutes the big hill. Even if you have observed a building walls, the room and the collection of room form the building. What is that building block of the huge building? What is the building block of this ant hill? Yes, it is nothing but the small sand particles. Similarly, we can say the building blocks of all matter are atoms. What do you mean by a matter? Anything that has mass and volume which occupy space. Anything or any substance which occupy space. We call it as matter. Okay. So this atom, if we see, they are very small. They are smaller than you imagine. Yes, they are the tiny particles. More than millions of atoms when stacked would make a layer barely as this sheet of paper. Yes, but when you tear a paper, we can't say that the atoms are getting broken. We can see the components of atom in this picture. We will study about these in the upcoming modules. What is meant by atomic radius? Atomic radius of a chemical element is a measure of the size of its atoms. Usually, it is the mean of the distance between the center of the nucleus to the boundary of the shell of the electron, or the distance between a center of the nucleus to the shell of the electron. R is equal to D by 2. Okay. So, atomic radius, how it is measured? It is measured in nanometers. Atomic radius is measured in nanometers. This is the unit. 1 by 10 power 9 meter is equal to 1 nanometer. 1 meter is equal to 10 power 9 meter. Okay. So protons and neutrons will be present inside the nucleus. Electrons will revolve around the nucleus. These three will constitute the atom. You might think that if atoms are so insignificant in size, why should we care about them? This is because our entire world is made up of atoms. We may not able to see them, but they are there and constantly affecting whatever we do. Through modern techniques, we can now produce magnified images of surfaces of elements showing atoms. I hope you understand what is an atom.